Okay guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper folding speedboat. Oh, just hold in here. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Now do the other side too. Now, this corner up to this edge. And do the other side too. Yeah. After that, just open and fold this one and just do like this, the middle, all the edge. Just go rotate and do the other thing too. Just what I tell you. Okay. Now just open it, rotate, or just do open. Now this line, just this edge, go here, the other thing too, the other side, do the other side. Okay, just do like this again. Now just fold like this. I like that, just like that. Now do this in the middle, this edge up to this in the middle, and turn around and do the other side too. Yeah. Now you see this one have the line. Just do like this. Okay. Now just do like this. Okay. Now you see it's have a little line right here, right over here. Now just do like just in the middle, and the other side too. The other side. Yeah. Now we're almost finished. Just this one, this edge up to this line. This line. Turn around and that one again. Now you see there is three lines over here. This. Okay. Just this hold, like this hold. Turn around and I hold right here. Just left the middle. Okay, just push it over. I see like this and open it. Open. Now you're finished. This is your new speedboat.